It was good for the especially you guys might not have a hands like this. But because I got my own fidget spinner yesterday. Look at this. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. You can see it's like going around. Isn't that so awesome? No. Look at this. Oh my god, I love it so much. Just look at this. Okay. Oh yeah. Crew has the exact same one as it, except this one. And Bella, my sister Bella, is there. After one is this as well, but it's blue. Now guys, this is absolutely crazy. And guys, I'm gonna ask you guys something right now. If you guys want me to make a fidget spinner video about top 5 awesomest best fidget spinners ever, or something about fidget spinners or something, I will make a video recently, and make a comment down below about a video that you want me to make. And so I'll give you like ideas, like football video under battle, like a video about top something YouTubers or whatever. Comment down below, and also follow my music, fan me on Musical.ly, please. I am Cleveland 100. I know I spelled it wrong, but it's CLEVLEND. I know it's AND, but just do END. Then write 100 on it. And yeah, I'll make awesome music, please. Alright, see you guys. I made music today as well.